Sick of Airbnb shoeboxes that crush your vacation vibe? 3 suitcases, 1 shared sink, 0 privacy, travel, trauma. Hotel bed, lumpy, shower, a cry-inducing waterfall of regret. Meet my secret weapon, luxury London Oasis. Enter calm. 75 SQM across 2 levels, 3 bedrooms, 3 en-suites, full kitchen, in-unit laundry, real home comforts, not motel. Crouch End vibe, indie cafes, parks, still central transport. Skylight windows, daylight, ventilation, 0 drama during hangovers. Minimalist handleless kitchen, flush hob, easy clean counters, chef ready. Compact bifold glass shower, tiny footprint, massive convenience. Sculptural pendant, glass staircase, leaning mirror, Insta-friendly angles. Scandi bed, cozy textiles, mid-century sofa. Nap approved. Wood look flooring, durable finishes, pack light, live stylishly, perfect for families, groups, or friends, avoiding cramped chaos. Book luxury London Oasis, because your vacation deserves dignity.